Did you have the hair?
Yeah.
Where's the hair?
On my head.
Where?
All over. I got on it.
You didn't tell nobody how to keep it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm showing you how to install, or I guess how I install these natural textured 4C clip-ins. So right here I'm showing you how my hair looked under the clip-ins. I just did some flat twist and I bobby pinned the ends down, and this is how it looks on the side and the other side. And then I left some leave out. That's where I'm gonna put that's where my part's gonna be. That's where my last track's gonna go in the front on that side, and this is where my last track is gonna go on that side. So those braids will be taken out and then be used as a leave out. Here as well on my edges, that'll be leave out as well. So initially, to prepare the hair before I actually put it in my head, let me say the hair had a smell to it. The scent wasn't awful to me, but my mother thought it was awful, so I guess it just depends on the person. So I shampooed it about 3 times and I added some watered down conditioner after. The box actually has instructions on how to care for the hair, and they recommend using warm water when shampooing and using cold water when rinsing out the conditioner. So I did that. So I let the hair dry overnight so that I can figure out what styler to put in it and how to style it. However, if I knew what to use on the hair and how to style it already, I would have done this right after I conditioned instead of letting it dry overnight, then re-wetting it to style it. But I watched some YouTube videos to get some ideas to style it, and I initially used Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Jelly, but that was my biggest mistake. Why it was a mistake is I felt that it was making the hair tangle and shed really bad, so then I switched to the Curl Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream instead, and that helped it a bit. And also on the box it did recommend using a hair serum or a hair lotion, so maybe I should have stuck to products in that with that type of ingredient or consistency. So after rinsing out the conditioner, I put the product in and I braided it up to try to get a kind of braid out look. So I let the hair dry in the braids overnight and I took those out the next day and combed it with my fingers a little bit and install that into my hair. So this is what you guys will see at the end. It's sort of like a braid out look. To me, I don't believe I needed to do a braid out because the hair looked sort of the same when I put the product in before I braided it. So maybe I'll try it next time without doing the braids. Overall, some pros for the hair: it's good for the price and it claims to be 100% human hair, but I'm not sure. And I believe it is true to 4C texture when you comb or brush it out a bit. So that's really good. I see a lot of reviews on the 3C, I believe, texture. So I didn't really see any on this texture. So I wanted to get kind of review / tutorial out there for this brand hair so people can get some views on it, some honest views on it. So some cons is the smell. I think that's really going to turn some people off. But if you wash it really well, that shouldn't be a problem at all. And the biggest thing probably is that it tangles and sheds a lot when detangling. So I guess if you have time to actually care for the hair and deal with that, then fine. But if you don't, I would spend a little extra on, I guess, a better known brand, or a brand that's known not to tangle or shed so much. And next time, what I would do different, I would use a hair cream from the beginning like the box suggested and not gel, and I would style it right after conditioning.
Where?
All over?
Oh, I can't remember my name. You ain't gonna nobody else.
So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.